The Hennessey Venom F5 is already one of the most bonkers hypercars on the planet, packing 1,817 horsepower and a claimed top speed of 311 miles per hour. But at this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed in the UK, Hennessey is unveiling an even more outrageous version, the Venom F5-M. The M stands for manual, as it should. Hennessey first announced the F5-M back in 2024, promising a 6-speed gated manual transmission paired with 1,817 horsepower. But the production version takes things up a notch. The Venom F5-M now produces a staggering 2,031 horsepower from its twin-turbocharged 6.6-liter V8. That makes it one of the most powerful production cars on the planet, trailing only the Rimac Nevera R, 2,107 horsepower, and Koenigsegg Gemera, 2,300 horsepower. All of that power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a 6-speed gated manual transmission. The monster powertrain sits inside a new carbon fiber monocoque chassis wrapped in revised bodywork, including an integrated roof scoop and a massive 55.0-inch dorsal fin designed to generate additional downforce, especially at over 200 miles per hour. The F5-M will be offered exclusively as a roadster and introduces adaptive suspension to the Venom lineup for the first time. The first production F5-M, shown here, was commissioned by a UK customer working with Hennessey's bespoke Maverick division. It wears exposed purple carbon fiber, real 24-karat gold accents, and hand-painted flags on either side of the dorsal fin. It even bears the family name of its very lucky owner, Chic. Owning one of these manual American hypercars won't come cheap. Hennessey plans to build just 12 examples of the Venom F5-M, each priced at $2.65 million. Not that the standard coupe is that much cheaper, with a starting price of around $2.1 million for the coupe. The Venom F5-M makes its production debut at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, where it will tackle the legendary hill climb twice a day throughout the 4-day event. Racing driver Alex Brundle will be behind the wheel.